And I stumbled upon this program online and it just clicked and I have enjoyed it ever since. So my name is Kendra Byers. I am from Canada and I have a background in kinesiology. My experience with the teachers and other students has been incredible. There's so many people from different backgrounds, vets, osteopaths, trainers, and everybody has something different to contribute. And you learn so much from your professors, but also from all of those around you. My experience learning online for the Masterclass was very good. I honestly never enjoyed school and I found it very, very stressful and always learning on a specific timeline. Whereas this I got to do on my own schedule while still working and I didn't have to sacrifice earning money so that I could get an education. And it gave me a very good foundation for coming to the Masterclass so that it wouldn't be overwhelming. I can really take in all the special techniques in addition rather than having everything come in at once. So my experience at London College of Animal Osteopathy has been wonderful. It's the first time I've ever enjoyed school in my entire life and I never really thought I would ever enjoy work, but every day I'm excited to come. I would definitely be interested in attending future classes, master classes, as I think there's always something you can learn and there's always improvement you can make